let's cruise.
No way from here.
Don't be confused.
The way is clear.
And if you want it, you got it forever. This is not a one-night stand,
Baby, yeah.
so
Hey guys, it is Dolla Docta Jennifer here, full-time veterinarian, part-time reseller, and we have a very short video hopefully today with some stuff I bought on Poshmark that I'm planning on reselling on Poshmark, and also one item that I got on the RealReal with the credit, so I paid $0 for that. So I got it just to get something, and yeah, so this is gonna be a short little haul. There's only 8 items, but I think I got some really cute stuff, so I'm excited about it, and let's just get into it. So I'm gonna start with what I got at the RealReal. They are current Elliot, size 25, and they are really cute, like a zebra or a tiger print jean, and they look like brand new. They are not new with tags, but they look really nice, and they're like in tans and blacks. I don't know if it's zebra. I think it's zebra. I don't know. But anyway, zebra or tiger print, really cute. I did want to just get this brand into my closet. It's a good one, so I grabbed those. And then I'm going to go into the 7 items that I picked up in a bundle. Someone was moving, and they were having a big sale in their closet, so I grabbed a couple things because I thought, help them out, help myself out. So the first thing I got are Rock and Republic, and I'm trying to remember what size they were. I know it's here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Size 4. Rock and Republic. And they're really cute stud jean with a little bit of a flare at the end and some factory distressing. But they had these cute little studs, and then the back is pretty fancy. And then there's 2 big R's in the back pockets. And they're in really good condition, so I grabbed them. I have sold 1 pair of Rock and Republic before, not this fancy though, so hopefully those do well. These are already listed in my closet, and so is the next pair of pants. The rest of it is not listed yet. So these are Adriano Goldschmied, and they are the Stevie Ankle Slim Straight Leg Pant. And they are a size 31 regular, and they are just like a wine colored pant slash jean, I guess. I don't know. I guess they're kind of like jeans. They're stretchy. That will have a little bit of stretch to them, and that's the back. Let's see a little tag. And they're in excellent condition, so I grabbed those. And let's see. The rest is put in a bag. This is probably like the one thing that's probably not going to sell very well. I am going to probably put this in my sale. The 6 for $30. So check it out if you're interested. I've sold quite a few bundles already, and I'm slowly adding more inventory. Some of it will go in the sale and some of it won't, but keep checking back because there will be new stuff coming. But this is Lauren Conrad, and it's a size 14. And you can even see it here. There's just like a lot of loose threads and stuff, which I didn't see in the pictures that they posted, but it's just a cute little gold fit and flare dress. It's pretty gold colored. It is missing a belt, but you can see like it does have a lot of like, I don't know if you can tell, like threads and stuff. So I'm probably gonna sweater shave it and then list it and put in the listing obviously the flaws. So I probably won't make a ton on that, but it's cute. I thought it was cute, so I got it. Let's see. This is Eileen Fisher, and it's a size medium. And it's just a cute little like sweater tank top that's kind of semi-sheer, obviously, because you can like kind of see me through it. So it's not anything big, but again, it's another thing that, and I guess it kind of has like a lower droop to the front. It's a name I wanted to get into my closet to get more traffic. And then let's see, this is Michael Stars. This is new with tags. Retail is $88. And it's a medium as well. And it is a like wine colored velour or velvet, yeah, velour because it's stretchy, top. And it's got like little vents on the side. If you really want to be wine colored, this would actually match with the pants a little bit. Anyway, I just thought it was a cute kind of basic, and I love velvet. It's a v-neck, so I don't know if you could see that before. It's a v-neck. Anyway, it's a cute shirt, new with tags. And then this is just really pretty. I really liked it. The brand is Socialite, and it's a size medium as well. I got a lot of mediums. But it's just a strapless maxi dress. But the like underskirt is like a short skirt. It stops here, and then the rest is kind of like semi-sheer. And then there's a cute little elastic detail on the back. This is stretchy. So I just thought it was really pretty. That's why I grabbed it. I have actually sold a couple dresses this week, so check out my what sold video on Sunday and you will see kind of, it's gonna be a long one, not gonna lie. It's gonna be a long one because of all the bundles. So strap in for what sold Sunday. Anyway, next, this is Avenue. I'm guessing there's another bunny. This is Avenue, size 18-20. It is also new with tags. Retail is $60. But it's just a really pretty dress. I don't know if I'd call this a floral. It's just kind of a design more than anything. But it has like these kind of like, oh my gosh, I'm horrible with words today. I don't know the word. I'm sorry. But it has like these open detail things. I don't know what they're called. Where it's, anyway, seams. I don't know. I just need to stop talking today. My friend will tell you, like, today all day I've just been not good with the words. Oh, is that it? I think that's the last thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's it. So that wasn't very long. I hope you enjoyed our little friend earlier. I saw him walking this morning and I just thought it would be fun. So anyway, I am going to be getting another haul together. I was out thrifting all day today. Fill a bag sale, fill a bag for $8. My friend and I both got 2 bags full of stuff. And so I'm pretty excited about some of the stuff I found there. And then we also went to another place and I got a few things there as well. So lots to come. I don't know. It is Thursday, obviously. I'm posting this on Thursday. And so I don't know if I will do another. It'll probably be Tuesday when that haul comes out because I'll have what sold Sunday, and then I'll have that on Tuesday. I'm trying to do about three videos a week, so we'll see how that goes. But I've been doing 3, and we're gonna try and continue to do 3, and yeah. So I'm just gonna leave this short because we're gonna have some longer stuff coming up, especially Sundays. So I hope you guys are having a great week, great sales. It hasn't been bad this week. I'm pretty excited. And like I said, you'll see that on Sunday. And remember to help control the pet population. Have your pet spayed or neutered. All right. Bye, guys.